Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 18th chapter, that is the waste management. So students, in previous classes already we have discussed about that. What is that water treatment? Yes, wastewater treatment we have studied. But how that plantation, how that wastewater treatment plant it is there, we have to discuss. Wastewater treatment means that removing of the impurities, that means contaminant things, unwanted things we have to remove. That means we have to make that clarified water. Okay, which one useful for that also in agriculture field. Okay, whatever that wastewater after that purified or after that clarified, then we will use for also agricultural field. Okay, so let us discuss what is that water treatment plant and how we are following the different methods or what are the different steps to treatment of that wastewater. We will discuss in this video. So first of all, see the friends, wastewater treatment plant or WWTP, waste water treatment plant. Okay, so short form with WWTP. So wastewater treatment is the process of removing contaminants from wastewater. Wastewater treatment means it is one of the process in which removing the contaminants from the wastewater. Removing the contaminants, that means maybe it is germs, maybe it is solid liquid, maybe it is some different that pollutants objects, which one you have to remove. Okay, it includes removal of physical, chemical and biological contaminants using physical and chemical and biological process. Maybe it is a physical like that solid things, maybe it is a chemical like a organic that inorganic that matters, and also it is also biological things, which one that other life things. Okay, like organisms, bacteria, fungi, like that. So these are, it is including to removing, that means contaminants. Removing the contaminants means made physically like solid substances like polythene, like sac, like that. So many different solid substances also. Like chemical means like it is mixture of that other gases, other chemical things, and also it is biological means like bacteria and other harmful insects or bacteria. So after the treatment, the solid part of the sewage can be used as a fertilizer for the crops. And also after the treatment of the wastewater, whatever the solid substance it will be remain part of that also we can use for that as a compost like fertilizers. Yes. So let us discuss about the students. First of all, what are the steps? What is the description of the wastewater treatment plant step by step? How like we are doing with the description. So first of all, wastewater is passed through a parallel bar screens. This helps to remove the objects like straw, racks, sticks, cans, plastic packets, etc. from it. First step क्या करना है, एक parallel bar screens are there, and the parallel bar screens through that we have to allow that to pass that water. When that screen with it will filter, it will collect first that solid substance like racks, plastic sticks, plastic bottles, and whatever that waste things like cans, sticks, plastic bottles, whatever that is there, it will be filtered, and we have to collect that first, and we have to remove. Second step, whatever that next the sewage water, it will allow to that pass through a grinder. Grinder means it will mixture. That means it will, if there solid substance are there, solid obstacles are there, then it will become, the size will become small. Okay, it will grinding, that means a powder like it will make. So if any sandstones like some obstacles are there, it will be grinding and will become the very small particles like where the solid waste is reduced to the size so that it does not clog up the plants. Whenever it will be, will apply that water, that it does not clog the of plant. Wastewater is then allowed to that enter to a grit and sand remove tank. Here the speed of wastewater is reduced in order to allow sand, grit and pebbles to settle down. So what you have to do, how much speedily that water we are allowing, after that removing of that water, like racks, and whenever we are using that water, grinding, doing after, what you have to do, third stage, what you have to do, you have to slowly, you have to allow that water to pass, because whenever it is slowly it will go, at that time what will happen, it will be whatever that sand, pebbles and other things, it will be settled down in the ground. So then after that upper water it will go to that next tank. Okay, so wastewater then goes to a large tank called that water clarifier. So after that settle down that sands and pebbles and other things, then that remain water, upper water, it will go to that next tank or big tank is there, that tank it will enter, and that tank which is called as a clarifier, clear or clarifier tank. Here the slug is removed with the scrapers, and here floats oils like oils, grease are also removed in the skimmer. So this inside what will happen, the students, in that also some like the oils like fats, that whatever it is mixing is there, oils and grease, some other contaminants it is mixing with that water. Last finally they will collect and they will find out, remove by the skimmer with it, they will find out that, take out that what grease and oil, and then after what will become the cleared water. So obtained is called clarified water. So after that removing of that grease, oil and other contaminants, then after it will become that water clarified water. Okay, the slug is transferred to the separate tank where the anaerobic bacteria act on it and converted into the methane, carbon dioxide and humus like materials. And another one tank where that anaerobic bacteria are there. Through that water, whenever it will enter, that bacterium it produces that water, carbon dioxide gas, methane and humus, or converted into that water, methane, carbon dioxide and humus like materials. Okay, next what is that? Air then passes through that clarified water. Aerobic bacterium grow into the presence of air and consume the remaining waste. Then last finally what is the another one tank where it is aerobic bacteriums are there. Anaerobic bacterium means it will produce that what, carbon dioxide, methane and other gases like methane, carbon dioxide and humus they will produce. But whenever aerobic bacterium is there, at that time what will happen, air whenever it will pass, then that bacterium it will create, and that bacterium if it is there remain, whatever that waste things are there, pollutant things are there, it will be removed, and it will be what they will be destroyed, and they will, that it will be completely they will consume. Okay, and by the bacterium it will be consumed. So these are the step by step of the water treatment plant students. So you have to remember first of all what you have to do, how to bar screen with you have to filter that all that solid substance like polythene bag, plastic box, bottles, and so many whatever the solid substance that you have to remove. Second, that will be grinding. Grinding means every solid substance like stones, big size things, it will reduce to small size. After the grinding, you have to make the settle down of the sands, pebbles, and other things. Whenever it will settle down, then after that water will go to that clarified tanks, and that clarified tanks with it, you have to make it that one anaerobic bacteriums, then which one will produce that water. We have to first, before that clarify water, before that tank, then you have to remove that water, oils and fats by that skimmers, and next you have to allow to that tank, and will where that anaerobic bacteriums are there, and they will produce that water, methane gas, carbon dioxide, and also some humus. And then after that wastewater, that whatever that clarified water, that will send to again one more tank, that is which are present are that what, aerobic bacterium, and they will produce that, they will consume that other remaining part of, if it is there contaminants, they will consume that. Okay friends, these are whole part of that difference, that description of water waste treatment plant. Okay, you should write down that, and once you have to read and you see the pictures how that it is there, how the different tanks are there, from which tank to which tank that water is passing, you should see in your textbook. Okay friends, thank you all of you, have a nice day.